My people wey dey online, una welcome to another package of Talkamasebe. Na me be Ozo Baba, your street presenter wey no dey sugarcoat matter. I go yarn am as e be, no filter, no packaging, just vibes, gist and correct laughter. Make una sit down, grab zobo or malt because today's package dey loaded like danfo wey carry passengers pass capacity. Okay, make we do the rundown for the program. First na date in history. Today we go look wetin happen for history wey still dey ginger us till now. Another one na African funny idioms. Na another idioms wey we dey drop. We go drop fresh 5 wey go make you laugh but still get sense. Number 3 na trending. Mandy kiss. You all know Mandy kiss. If you dey TikTok very well, you go don hear Mandy kiss. Wetin e be, who e be, we go talk am. Dey plan world record for nacking tone. Yes, you know wetin nacking tone be. If you no sabi, open your pidgin dictionary, you go see am. Guinness book of wetin again? We go dissect am. Then another one na street gist. For street gist today, one South African pastor talk say Jesus go land September, but abeg, the Jesus show? We go talk am. Then sport gist, Dembele, una know Dembele wey win the Ballon d'Or 2025. Carry the Ballon d'Or waka go PSG. E shock you? We go break am down for sport gist. And for culture corner, jollof rice wahala. Why Naija party no complete without am? And who get bragging right? Naija jollof or Ghana jollof? So make you no waka comot, make you no blink, because the gist wey dey come go hot pass suya for Ojuelegba junction. Na Talkamasebe we dey come. You welcome. Na me still be Ozo Baba. Your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. You don hear am? Na so e be. Alright, we don see wetin we get line up for you. Make we start with this one. Date in history.
Wetin dey make me love you so? Your beauty shine like glowing light. You be my African queen, oh. Wetin I go do make you love me tight? Girl, you dey make me crazy. With your booty you dey amaze me. You be my queen, my heart desire. African queen, I go love you, Kaya. African queen, you shine so bright like diamond in the...
Alright, welcome back. You see, we get gist wey dey hot like hot akara inside oil. Alright, so after we don see the trending dates, wetin happen wey still dey make sense to our head. Every time all those dates dey make sense, forget. History strong. Make we do this one now. African funny idioms. If you don dey follow us, you see as people dey give us thumb up. Go subscribe, comment, like our video, support us, and we go take the work harder be that. So make we listen to African funny idioms.
You sparkle lights. You be my queen, my heartbeat. African queen, I go love you forevermore. You be my weekend, my heartbeat. Wetin dey make me go crazy, oh. Your smile shine like morning sun. You be my African queen, I go follow you around. Now you I want, now you I need. You be my everything, no. African queen, you dey make me proud. You be my heart, my love, oh. African queen, you shine so bright.
Alright, you don watch that one. The next one na trending. Wetin dey trend? Mandy kiss. She say she wan break Guinness record on wetin? Nacking. If you never know who Mandy kiss be, na the picture you dey see abi na the video, make him take him mouth explain the Guinness wetin he wan do. However, Guinness book of record don approve and say so person which is Mandy kiss wan take part for their record. Make we listen to wetin Mandy kiss get to tell us.
So guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good noon, whatever, wherever you are watching me from right now. I'm making this video to let you all know that I'll be participating in the Guinness record. I'm having with 100 men. You know me, kuku lórúkọ gidi náà gbòòrò mi lójú rere tẹ́ fi ń wò mí, so kò sí ọ̀kan tá fẹ́ máa, you know. To cut the story short, mo ti get the kini pack meta 1 round each 100 men. Mo ti get 100 men already, want to available. So and I want you all to know that this is actually coming from the bottom of my heart. Nothing mo ko ọkàn mi ni wo mi o cast the boy mi fẹ́ kí gbogbo èyàn rí mi korojú kó rí iṣu òbò yẹn kó rí face to face. Ó ti yẹ àǹfààní wà gan láti top láti dìímú ó bá máa tẹ̀wó oúnjẹ ẹnu àǹfààní wà tó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá máa tẹ̀wó mi. And I want you all to know that the entry is not free ó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀ lè wá wo pàpàpà lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So ó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àwọn 100 men náà ti wà available, èmi náà jẹ́ wà available. So on the 29th I think I'll be posting the actual location, but the venue is Ikorodu, but actual location ibi tí ó ti máa ṣẹlẹ̀ máa post it on the 29th. So tó bá wà around mainland, so you can come there if you are less busy that day, if you have nothing you're doing, so you can come there to just watch me live doing ta 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 ta. Wàhálà mi ní shape but you know wàhálà kí body mi tó wá ń dùn mi, mo ní bàbá kúrú tí bá ń dùn ó ní mi máa ń dùn gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ṣe gbọ́ tó pé obìnrin gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ṣe pèpèpèpè ìwọ ọkùnrin gbogbo ẹ̀ máa èmi ló ń dùn bọ̀ ó máa affect ìwọ náà wọ́n máa feel ẹ̀. Ó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ tó dùn ní mi alóyin lóbò Mandy kiss kò pé méjì.
Alright, now Mandy kiss you don't see, so that they call am chair lady for Olosho. You don't know wetin Olosho be? See that they look me here say you don't know wetin be Olosho when they talk of Olosho. Alright, now Mandy kiss be that. Don't forget we dey try do one small package for now way woman go say more say na 1 minute man you be. Now caution you need to put on so we get this video where we go drop for you. Alright, the next one where we go talk about now this pastor, South African pastor, very short clip wey say Jesus dey come for September. Jesus come or not? Make we watch this short clip. Alright, now you see, so as we still dey here now, where would they still dey here? They still dey pray say Jesus dey come. But for Bible, it say nobody knoweth when he shall come at, when he go come. But this pastor say no, well, now their own cup of tea. Yes, the current one, Sport G's, Dembele, Ousmane Dembele, now he win the Ballon d'Or. Yeah, the Ballon d'Or. He don't carry the team, go meeting people for PSG. Now, back at the front, back at people the front say, don't forget say now then said Dembele, say the guy no good. You see, when God they package you, he get wetin they package you for. So any situation where you dey go through in life, my brother, no give up. Continue to push, work harder. No retreat, no surrender. One day you go eat am. Now one small thing, now you remain. People wey do Coca-Cola, not be their first start am. Person wey do Mercedes, not be their first start am. But the people wey come eat am na people wey cool down to work on now. Even Elon Musk, not only in start am. Facebook, not only in start am. Go check their record. So as you dey start, they go, you go break that gene. And the end, people will just dey celebrate you, but they no go know wetin you go through to reach that stage in life. Alright, wetin we wan talk about now na culture. The aroma thick. My wife just dey prepare that one inside the kitchen, so I say okay, make we talk about am. Jollof rice, party jollof. Yes, we get this special package, just short, wey you need to watch about party jollof. Ghana, Nigeria jollof rice. Jollof rice na jollof rice. Make we go watch. For Naija, if party no get jollof rice, na like say the party no even hold. DJ fit late, MC fit disappear, canopy fit blow, but jollof rice must dey. Na why we dey call am party rice. Taste dey always different, believe me, dey always different. Now wahala be this: Naija jollof versus Ghana jollof. Africans dey argue tire, but abeg, we sabi the truth. Naija jollof dey reign. Oya, who una go pick? Drop am for comment. Alright, welcome back. You don lis ten to that one. You don watch the party jollof. Ghana, Nigeria. Which one people dey gbadu pass? But however, e get one chicken things wey guys come dey put inside this gist. They go call women jollof rice. So you no go know. You guys dey do the trick, but I no be me go expose them. We no dey expose our brothers now. Alright, now here we go end this story for this one. But don't forget, say we still dey bring another topic, another things wey go trender you, wey go make you dey jolly, make your body relax when you dey under stress. But the one thing be say, click that button, click the bell, subscribe, put your comment, so that everybody go dey flow. We go fit dey gist for there, because with the package very soon we go dey go live, so that we go fit dey gist one-on-one. But if you no dey comment, you no dey like, how you wan take know when we go live? How you wan take the gist with us? I still be Ozo Baba. Your money is my money is my money in the bank. I still dey come back very soon.